What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to adjust ringtone volume on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, here you will see a ringtone slider. So from here you can adjust the ringtone volume by dragging the slider to the left or right side. So if you want to increase the ringtone volume, then you can drag the slider to the right side, and if you want to decrease the ringtone volume, then you can drag the slider to the left side. So that's how you can adjust ringtone volume on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.